Hello students, today we start the exercise 15.1. So question number 4, there is the 4 option is given which having not probability. So option B, that is minus 1.5, because the probability is not lie in the negative, so minus 1.5 is not having probability. The question number 5, the probability of the event is given, that is 0.05. We want to find the probability of not event. We know that the probability of the event plus the probability of not event, that is equal to 1. So 1 minus probability of event. So 1 minus 0.05, you get 0.95 the probability. Then we next question. Question number 6. So bag contain lemon candy. The bag having one bag having only lemon candies. So we want to find the probability of orange candy. How it's possible? If the bag having lemon candies, so it can't find the orange candy. So probability is 0. It's impossible. So probability of the lemon, yes, lemon candies, that is 1, because there is a bag containing lemon candy, so that is possible. Come to the question number 8. A bag contains 3 red balls. Red is red ball, that is 3. Red ball is 3, and there is black ball, that is 5. Red ball is 3 and black ball is 5. What is the probability of red and not red? So total ball is 8. So probability of the red, so probability is total number of event and total trial. So number is 3 and total is 8. So probability of not red means 1 minus 3 upon 8. So you get 5 upon 8. Here we can directly use black one, because if not red, so what happened? There is only black is left. So we want to find the probability of black one, right? So question number next, that is 10. A piggy bank having the coins, that is containing 150 paisa coin. So 50 paisa coin is, that is 100, right? And there is 50 rupees 1 coin. So rupees 1 coin, there is 50 coin is there having rupees 1, and rupee 2 coin, there is 20 is, and rupees 5 coin, that is 10. So total coin you get 180. So total coin is 180. So find the probability of 50 paisa coin. 50 paisa coin, that is 50 paisa coin is 100, that is 100 upon 180, right? And we want to find the probability of not 5 rupees coin, not 5 rupees coin, not 5 means left the 5 and added the rest, that is 170 upon 180. Or we can find the probability of the 5 rupees coin, and then we subtract it from 1, you also get the same answer. Okay, then we question number 13. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting prime number, number lying between 2 and 6 and odd number. So if the dice, once the sample space is become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So probability of the prime number. So prime number is there. 2 is the prime number, 3 prime number and 5 is prime number. So 3 time is the prime number, that is 3 and total is 6. There total is 6 and the prime numbers, that is 2, 3 and 5. So it means 3 times is happened when the prime number is occur. So it means 3 upon 6. So you get 1 upon 2. So probabilities get 1 upon 2. Similarly, the odd number, odd. So odd number is 1, 3, 5. So that is also 3 times. 3 upon 6, you get 1 upon 2. Right? Then the next one is there is a card, well shoved cards, deck of cards, that is the probability of getting. So total card, that is 52. First part, find the probability of king, red king. So red king is, there is the 4 cards in the king. There is the 4 cards. 2 red, 1 heart, 1 diamond, 1 club and 1 spade. These 2 are black and these 2 are red. So probability we want to find the red card. So it means 2 upon 52. Total is 52. So that is 2 upon 52. We want to find the jack of heart. Probability of jack of heart. So jack of heart. Similarly, the heart is 1. Jack of heart is 1. So 1 upon 52. Right? So spade. Probability of the spade is spade. The spade is 13 is there. So 13 upon 52. Right? So next question is there is question number 18. A box containing 90 discs which having 1 to 90. There is written from 1 to 90. That is, discs are there 1 to 90. Randomly from the find the probability. 2-digit number. For probability of the 2-digit number. So 2 digits started from the 10. So 2-digit number find. 2 digits. They are started from the 10. So we subtract 8, 9 from there. So you get 81. So it means there is 81 numbers are having 2 digits. So it's 81 upon total is 90. Right? We want to find the probability of perfect square. Perfect square means like 1 is perfect square, 4, then 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. Right? So it's having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's a 9 and total is 90. So it's become 1 upon 10. Right? So that is the probability of perfect square number. So third part is the probability of divisible by 5 divided by 5. Divisible by 5. divisible 5. So we use the table of 5. There is a 18 number. 18 5s are 90. So 18 numbers are there which is divided by 5. So 18 upon 90. Right? So 18 upon 19 because 18 5s are 90. So 1 upon 5 is the probability. Okay? Then the next question is, when the two dice are thrown, and we want to find the probability. When the two dice are thrown, so make the sample space for that. Two dice. Sample spaces. That is, make like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So make the table 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So that is the table for, that is the sample space, and you can find out the total outcomes is 36. We want to find the probability of the sum of two dice is 2. The probability of sum of two dice is 2. So there is only 1. That is 1 plus 1 is become 2. So there is 1 upon 36. Similarly, the sum of two dice is 3. So 3 is come 2 times, that is 2 upon 36. And similarly, we find the rest answer of the question. Then come to the next question. A game is consist of the rupees 3 times coin and doing the outcomes of the half. Hanif's win if all the toss gives the same result and the 3 head 3 tail, and lose otherwise. Calculate, find the probability of the winning Hanifs. So make the sample space. There is the 3 coins. 3 coins. So sample space is become 3 times head, 3 times tail, then head, tail, then head, tail, head, then tail, head, then head, tail, then tail, head, tail, and head, tail, head, tail. This is the 2. The head, tail, head. So we make the sample space. Space is there, that is head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head. So there is the total outcome is total outcomes, that is 8. So the total outcome is there. We can make like that samples with one coin, one coin, one coin. For example, first having head, then tail, tail, tail. First tail, second tail, third maybe tail. Then first two having tail, head, then next one having tail. Similarly, first having head, then tail, then head. So we can, maximum outcome is become 8 is there. So we want to find the probability to win by the honeybees if the 3 times head or 3 times tail. So probability of winning. So probability of the win, there is the 2 time is there when the head is coming and tails. So the 2 upon 8. So probability is 1 upon 4. Right? So question number one more we discuss, that is the question number 16. The 12 defected pen are accidentally mixed with the 32 good one. Defected pen is 12, defective pen, that is 12, and the good one, good pen is 132. So total pen, the total is become 144. So total is become 144. Right? So there is 144 is the total, and now if want to find the probability, if not possible, so determine the probability that the pen is taken out is the good one. So good pen, the probability of the good pen. The probability of the good pen is 132, that is 132 upon 144. Right? So that's about your exercise 15.1. Thank you and have a nice day.